Smoke machine, smoke there. Right, so this is my second attempt at coming through Psycho Inn because my sugar. My footage didn't record the last time. Gifted once again, gifted. Thank you very much, William. William Scarrett, Psycho Inn. I'm going for a loan this time. Oh, scary. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's loud, it's loud, it's loud. So you come through these things by yourself. Oh, hello mate. It's definitely scarier. Alright mate, how you doing? Dead end. Oh, it's dark in here. Air cannons. Oh, but this is something a bit furry here. Something very furry. Mind your step.